Hi, good evening. So today we have a storm coming, and the name of the storm is Nika. So, Manila, Philippines, the residents of 2,500 villages were ordered to evacuate their homes as severe tropical storm Nika approached the northern Philippines. The government said Sunday, today, after three massive cyclones battered the country in less than a month. So, actually, we encountered three storms already this month. Nearly 700,000 people are still sheltering at the evacuation centers or with relatives after their homes were destroyed by tropical cyclone Christine, Leon, and Mars, and this time it's Nika. So honestly, October or September, October, this is the storm months, even up to December. The previous trio of storms killed 159 people, with Nika due to make landfall on Monday. Tomorrow, people living in 2,500 villages across the northern regions of Ilocos, Cagayan Valley, and Cordillera have been ordered to evacuate interior and local government. So that's under Secretary John Vic Remulla. So I hope it won't rain a lot here in Manila. Only not so flooding, because if there is really a heavy rain, it's very difficult for us because of the flood.